In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a Manychat AI automation that will reply to your leads, collect their emails, and send them to an automated email sequence all within Manychat. Let's go. The automation that I'm using for this example is the Say Hi to New Followers template. If you would like to trigger the automation when somebody comments a word or DMs you, you can do that as well. After the person follows your account, they're going to be taken to this AI step. Let's briefly go over what this step includes. First, we have the goal. This is what we want to accomplish at this step in the automation. In this case, we want to welcome new followers. We want to thank them for following and ask about their main fitness goal. In this case, we are a health coach trying to sell a fitness program. We have a 5-day mini email course that we are trying to drive leads to build trust and nurture the relationship with them before eventually selling our product. So we're going to ask them about their main fitness goal. We're going to show them empathy and explain that Coach Brian helps busy dads 30 years of age and older lose fat, gain energy, and stay consistent. I'll let you guys pause the video. You can read the rest if you would like. Once you have your goal all set out, give AI steps to follow. The more specific the prompts you give it, the more likely AI is going to do what you want it to do. So in this case, the first message that's going to happen is a welcome message with a question. The goal for this AI step is to get the email from the lead so that we can get them off of social media and we can own the list. So in this first step, I'm greeting them, I'm asking them a question, and then I have the option to save the user reply as a custom field, which will then show up in the contacts section. So in this case, I just created a user field. I clicked here, I named it, and clicked create. So the custom user fields, you can see it's this one, fitness goal, and whatever they reply with will end up in that field and then end up in contacts under their username. So after I've collected that, I simply reply, I got it, you're definitely in the right spot. I give kind of an explanation of the next step for them, that is the pushing them again, mentioning the mini course, and then using the copy to compel them to want to check it out and read more into it. So I briefly mention what it is. I would mention some of the mistakes, the consequences of doing those mistakes, and then what to do instead. And then I ask them if they're interested. Once they reply yes, we're going to save the user reply and collect their email. And that's all I want to do for this AI step. We also want to give the AI as much context as possible to answer any and all questions that the lead might have. So in this case, I've given them context about who I am, what I'm offering, and who it helps. I've used ChatGPT to put together a tone and style guideline. Next, I've generated an FAQ section using ChatGPT just for this fictitious example. Please use real FAQs for the customers in your business and make sure to include the answers as well. So we're going to click save, and then I want to preview this before I let it run. I want to see, let's take a look at what happens. So after the person follows, I'm going to get this prompt. Hey man, appreciate the follow. I help dads over 30 drop fat and get back in shape even with a busy schedule. So I'm just going to tell it I want to lose 20 pounds. Okay, so here we can see that it's collected the information. Got it, you're definitely in the right spot. Okay, so I've acknowledged that. I push them towards this mini course that I put together. I try to compel them, kind of tease them with bullets, and ask them if they're interested or not to move the conversation forward. So I'm interested, let's say yes. Awesome. Just need your email to send what's the best email to reach you. So I will add a fake email here, just for example's sake. Great. So now the email is collected. After this step is done, this next step is optional. You can add a tag to your new lead before sending them into the email automation. I have a whole video on that, on how to send email automations. Again, this tag is just to track the performance of this automation. And then finally, we'll send them to another automation, again, which I've created that you can see in that other video that I mentioned.